string, and today we will finish our small topics. Okay, so that we can start a big topic from today. Oh, sorry, tomorrow. So let's finish them. Okay, inner classes. Okay, so basically we have a inner classes. So what are inner classes now? So I actually have I started the recording. Yes. Okay, sharing. Hmm. Okay, inner classes. Suppose I have a class. This is hello class. This is my public class. So now I want to create an inner class. Inner class means you are creating class inside class. Okay, now you can have a class car, but it is present inside hello class. So inside class, you have one variable int x, which is 9. So if I ask you guys, if I want to create an object and or if I want to print this 9, what I can do? So you will say, sir, create an object of car like this. So I will say, no, I cannot do this. I cannot do this. Why? It's simple. It's simple. Arey, 1 second. It's simple. It's simple that you cannot do this. The reason is why? Because if I will say, sir, if I'm saying you have a method display. Now, if I'm saying if I want to call this display method, what I have to do? What will be the first step which I have? What I have to do? Tell me. If I want to call this method display, what I will do first of all? Tell me. Come on, I need a response. What I have to do?
Create object
Of what? Of what?
Display.
No, display is a method. Now, how will I create an object of display?
Okay, it's method.
Call the method.
Yeah, how will I call that method? I'm asking that. By what I have to do first? First step.
Display.
Body, we have to write the body of the display.
No, see, I have removed everything now. My main method is empty. So what will be my first step if I want to call this display method?
We can create object of hello class, right?
Correct. That is what we have to do. Because that display method belongs to what? This hello class. Guys, don't forget the basic concepts. Otherwise, you will not be able to do advanced. Display. Like this only you can call. Now the question is, why I'm doing this? Because this method belongs to this hello class. Similarly, this class belongs to hello class, correct? So if I want to create an object of car class, what I need? I need an object of hello. Then only I can create the object of hello class, the car class. Correct, sir. So let's create. Car C is equals to h dot new car. This is how you will create the object of your car class. Got it? And now you can call
Yes.
C dot. Okay, now you can. Okay, so this is how you will use it. You can do anything now. Okay, so this is called your inner classes. This is called a inner class. Any doubt in this? No doubt? Okay.
No.
So let me ask you one thing. If I want to print this 12, how will I print this? This is a question. You have 3 minutes and try to answer. Everyone should be answer and it will be private me. Don't everyone. Okay. In a chat, you have to answer to me. To me. And send me the answer. If I want to print this 12, what are the steps or write the code. Okay. Everyone will do. Over here, we are having 29 students, including me 28. No, sorry, excluding 28. Now I need 28 answers. Okay, it doesn't matter. It will be correct, incorrect. Say, sir, don't know, but answer. Okay.
Rajesh, can you repeat the question?
I am saying I want to print this Z. How will I print? The guys, I have only three answers I have. At least try, everyone. Okay, if you will not try, then you will be I'm telling you, these are the important concepts you should know. Okay, at least try. I'm not saying you will be correct, but you can try. Okay, if you will not try, not get the answers. Now see how to access it. So what you have to do, first of all, this car class is present in hello. So you will say hello, that is equals to new hello. Now you'll say, I need a car object. So I will say car p is equals to new car. But you cannot do this without using h. So I'll say h dot. Okay. Now you have to create engine object. So the engine p is equals to new engine. Now without H, you cannot do this because it is present in car. You need object of car. Now ABC. So you will say A, B, C. AB is equals to mu A, B, C. And without E, you cannot do this. So this is how you will create an object of ABC. Okay. Now you can say AB dot Z. You can do anything. Okay, so this is how you do this. Okay, now if you will run this, it will run fine.
So we cannot run this directly from hello object.
No, no, because it's not present
need
in
to
hello. Hello don't know only car. Only car. Inside car, he don't know what is there. Okay. Okay. You have to see C dot. Okay. So hello. Hello is a father. Inside hello, you are having car. So he know car. So if you want to use car, you have to create the object of hello. Okay, now inside car we have engine. If you want to use engine, you need an object of car. And so if you want to access ABC, you need the object of engine. Simple. Okay. So this is how you will do this. Any doubt? This is called your inner classes.
So
Okay.
what will be the output? Can you execute this?
Nothing. I'm not doing anything now. See, doesn't matter what will be the output because see, I'm printing anything. I'm doing anything. No. If you need output, you have to print that value, no?
Yeah.
Then only it will be. So say, so if I will print, how will I print that? So like this you will print. So you will print well.
Mm.
Okay. So now this is your inner class. Okay, normal inner class. So in inner classes also we have lot of inner classes. So first of all, we have a member inner class. Okay, and what is member inner class? This is called your member inner class, which I have explained. This is called your member inner class. Okay. Now second is your anonymous inner class. Now what is the anonymous inner class? So it is used when you are using abstract or interfaces. Then you can use this inner class. Majorly it is used then only. And how it is used? Simple. Simple. If you have a class or abstract class, abstract car. Okay, and that's right. Okay, and in this you have void display. You have to write abstract also. Now, if I say, if I want to use this display, what I have to do? What I have to do? Give me 1 second. Okay, guys. So if I'm using abstract, then I'll use member inner class. How to use it? Simply you will say car. So, okay, the question is if I want to use this display, how will I do this? So what will be the question? So sorry, what will be the answer? So the answer is if you want to use this display, you cannot create an object of car. It's an abstract class. How will you use this display? And don't do this. Dekho.
Extend
Sapna. It's Sapna. Sapna, why you are doing this? Remove it.
Yeah, it's by mistakenly happened.
Yeah, you can do Control Z, otherwise it will not be visible. Na?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now see. So what you can do? See, what you can do? You need a subclass. Okay, you need a subclass. So you will say class car or anything. Like suppose class subcar or anything, yeah, like ABC. It will extends car. Okay, now you have to override that method. Okay, now you will write anything. Okay, and you need an object of ABC. You can say A dot. That is how you can do this. So the Java is saying here why you are doing this thing. If you want to use this display method only, don't do this. Use the inner classes. Do like this. So anything you can write anything, like you need object of car, na? So you will say C is equals to new car, and you will do like this. And you will say public void display and write anything. Okay, so this is the inner class. Now no need to create abstract or anything. Using inner classes, you can do that thing. No need to do anything. Simple, you can do this. Okay, and why I'm writing this lambda expression? This is okay. Now using C, you can call it display. It will print your handle. So see, no need to create this class. Simply you can use inner classes. Okay, this is called your anonymous inner class. Anonymous inner class.
Here we are creating the object of abstract class, right?
No, you are creating a subclass. Okay, the inner class. Suppose there is another class.
This is abstract, right? Class car is an abstract class, right?
Yes.
So we are creating object of car inside hello, right?
No. See, this is your inner class. Means you are creating the subclass. Actually, this is a subclass. Okay, subclass. You are just creating a subclass. This is called inner class without name. Anonymous inner class, anonymous method, anonymous anything means the class or any method without name. So this is your class without name. Okay, this is called your anonymous inner class, the class without name. This is just like a subclass. This is just like ABC.
So you are saying this is not object of car.
Correct. This is a subclass of the car.
Okay. Why we are using same name? Then we can use anything else other
what
than
you
car?
will use? No, see, you have to create the object of car only, na? Subclass of car only. You want to use this display method only, na? So you have to do this, otherwise it will not be accessible, na? It will
means this abstract class is different, and the object which we are creating.
This is an anonymous inner class. Means you are creating subclass, but with no name. With no name.
So there is no need to. Here we are creating an object of anonymous class. So we don't need to create a class. We can just directly create an object and write method inside it.
Correct. Okay, and then you can call it.
This is little confusing.
You need another class, so you can call it like this. So basically, you can create n number of anonymous classes. Okay, now you have to override that method. You are not creating the object. If you are creating the object, then why you are creating the method? Getting it? So this is your anonymous inner class. Okay. Okay, so you can create a number. So this is called your NMNF inner classes. Any doubt? Any doubt in this? Anyone?
Like I do have a doubt, but I don't know how to say it. Okay. Hmm. Uh,
Tell me. No problem. Try to trust to us what you want to.
no, we have created two objects, right? Car C and car C2. And we needed, we will call them, or else like I did not get it actually. So
It's
why we are
nothing.
creating it? Yeah.
See, it is just a type. I'm explaining, I am just giving you the tools how you can access the thing. Okay, you can do it like this also. Why we are doing it? No, I am just telling you this is also a way you can use it.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so how you can use it? You can create an object of anonymous inner class. Anonymous means the class without name. The class, if anybody say what is anonymous method, the method without name. Okay, so this is a class without name. This is a class which I have highlighted. The
So
without
like
name.
you're just creating it just in case if you need to call it later in the
Correct.
program.
If
That
you
is why we
only
are creating.
correct, if you only want to you just if you have only one method, why to create a different class for that? You can create another inner class in a main method if you want. This is also a tool, okay, which you can do. You can also use extend keyword. You can use implement. You
So
can do
basically,
anything.
so you
Okay.
basically creating some anonymous classes and keep it just in case, and then later on when you're developing complex coding, and you can call these one at this point of time. That is why anonymous classes are used. That's what you're saying, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
If with the help of interfaces also you can do this.
Okay.
Okay. So this is an anonymous inner class. Okay. Now next is your local inner class. Now there is one more concept. We can do one more thing. We can also create class inside a method. I'll say, oh, what is this? So I'm saying class car, suppose you have. Okay, inside car class, you can have void display. And inside void display, now I will create the object. Sorry, class engine. And inside class engine, I have void run. System.out.println. 3300. Okay. ERINTLN. Okay, so this is also a type of class which is called local inner class. Local inner class, which you create in a method. Getting it? Now, see. So how to use this? How to run this method? So in this method only you have to work it. Means you have to create the object of engine. E dot run. Okay, now if you want to run this, just create an object of dot. And you can say C dot display. That's all. So if you run this code, okay, so it will run fine. Yeah, sure, I will use. First of all, tell me if anyone have a doubt in this.
So C dot display will run void run method, right?
Yeah.
C dot display will run void run method.
Display
when
method.
we are calling
it will
display.
run display
Okay.
method. And in display method, you
Okay.
have inner classes and you are creating the object and you're calling that method. Any doubt? So this is called your local inner class. And let me give you the interface also. Give me 1 minute, one phone call is coming. Just a 1 minute, let me pause the recording also. Yeah, come on. Okay, so someone was asking like, shall I, okay, no doubt in this? Anyone? No doubt? Okay, now see, the question is, okay, interface. Using interface, let me do NMNS inner class. So interface star and this same thing actually, same thing which we have to do. That's all. So this is how you will do DIS. Okay, clear with the NMNS interface? With the interface, everyone is clear. So this is your how you will do using interface. I will say, sir, you are heading error. Let's see. Already defined. Okay. Okay. And then implemented method here. Okay, spelling mistake. Okay, I think everyone is clear with this.
Yes.
DISPLAY.
Here we cannot create the object of interface. So that's why we are creating this anomalous class and calling that method under the interface, right?
This is your
Rajesh, is this the functional interface?
functional interface. Yes. Okay. Functional interface, guys, but nothing is functional interface. Functional interface means the interface which only have one abstract method, and that is called a functional interface. Okay, it always have one abstract method. If you create two, it will not be a functional interface.
Okay.
Okay, so this is your function. See, now it is giving you error. Why? Because you have written @ function interface, but you are not working as. Okay, so functional interface means you only have one abstract method, and that is called your functional interface. Okay,
So these are annotations.
no problem. If you
right?
don't want to write this, you don't write. It's not compulsory. It's like you are telling them that this is a function. It is a good practice. You should do that.
Yes, correct.
Okay, so this is your functional interface, and this is the example of your NMNS inner class. Okay, so
So is it important to use these things, the functional
See,
interface and all?
see. I am giving you the tools. I'm
Okay.
giving. I'm giving you lot of tools. Okay, which
Yeah.
works same, but it's up to you
Mhm.
which one to use and when to use. You will get the opportunity to use any of them. Okay, like I will tell you how
Yeah.
to connect with database. 4 types of ways, 5 type of ways. JDBC, Hibernate, Spring JDBC, Spring Hibernate, JPA. But it's up to
Yeah.
you which one to use.
Yeah.
Okay, I will explain you all the tools
Yeah.
so that you should know
Okay.
what is this. Okay, now it's up to you when to use, which one to use. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's see. So next is your static inner classes, which we have told before also. Static inner class. Similarly, nothing is a static inner class, and one more minute, it's important actually. It's right now. Okay, so we were on static inner class. Okay, now see. So static inner class. Now static inner class. So basically you can use static with 3 types: static classes, inner classes, static variables, static methods. And I think everyone is clear with the static keyword. What is this, how it allocate the memory and all that stuff. Okay, if anyone is facing that exception or any kind of things, they can ask. Okay, so now static inner class. So simple static class anything, car. Okay, so this is your static inner class. So in this, suppose you are having display method. So you can say PRI and PLN. You can say, and if you want to print it, so you can directly create an object of car class without even creating the object of hello. How? Let me show you. Just use the class name. See, you can use it. Plus, this is a good idea to use it like this. Okay. Okay, directly you can create now. No problem. Okay, so directly you can use it. Plus, if you have a static method, static. Okay, so no need to do anything. Simple, say car dot display. But what if I have one more static? Class. Okay, and in this I'm having display. Now the question is, how will do this? PC dot, I can't know. We don't know what is PC. So for that, you can say car dot cc dot display. See, so this is called a static inner class. And every property is same. If you want to use anything in a static method, the variable will always be static and everything. Like in text, if you want to use this in text in a static method, so you cannot use it until you make that variable also static. Okay, so same thing. Okay, same thing. So this
So
is how you
here,
can use
we don't need to even create object. We can just directly access in class name car.cc dot display. Just object of
repeat
class.
again, repeat again one more time.
I'm saying like we don't need to create object here. Car C is equal to new car.
No,
Then
no.
for CC, CC is equal to car CC dot car, like that. We don't need to do that. Directly we can access static class, right?
Correct. No need. Okay, because that is the use of your static. Plus, I have already told you about the disadvantage of static memory. Okay. So this is all about your static also. So I think now we are done with this topics. Okay, now one more nested interfaces, but simple nested interface means inside interface you have interface. So that is only the static interface. You know, okay. So this is all about your inner classes. Everyone is clear with the inner classes? No doubt.
Yes.
Okay. Great. So let me tell you about little bit of string also, as we have our time. We can do string also, but not that lengthy topic. So basically string is also an interesting topic. Okay. Will take time, but no problem. We will cover it. Yeah. So in string we have, suppose if I'm creating a string, Rajesh. Okay, string name is equals to Rajesh. And I'm saying name is equals to Rajesh Yadav. Now, can anyone tell me what is happening? Like in what will be the memory in heap or stack? Like what will be happening in stack and heap? How many objects are getting created? Even object is getting created or not? Tell me. Try to tell me. I'm not saying you will be correct. I'm saying participate. Everyone should participate.
String is a Java by default class, right?
One object is being
Correct.
created.
Predefined.
Yes.
Okay.
String.
Only one
Yes.
object?
Yes.
Everyone? So this is the problem with string.
Two objects will be created, right? Name
Okay.
and string.
No, yeah. This is the data type, na?
Just one name.
No, she is right, but the logic is incorrect. Okay, the object will be this. The reason is why? Because this is very important thing. String is immutable. Okay, string is immutable. So the reason is what is immutable and how it works. Okay, let me tell you that. Let me open my pen. Give me 1 minute.
So name just is one object, right? Then how two objects have been created?
Just telling you, this is an interesting topic. No? That's what I'm thinking.
Okay.
Okay. See. So basically we have two things. Stack, heap, and there are code. I would like to copy the code. This is our code. Okay, so basically string is an immutable. Basically, it is very important topic. People don't know about it. Many people. Okay, so in string also we have a different memory inside here. That is called just like static. String pool area. String pool. Okay, and this name. And it's in string pool, we will always have a unique string. In string pool, we will always have a unique string. So name is equals to one object will be created, and inside this you will have Rajesh. R-A-J-E-S-H. Rajesh is unique, so Rajesh will be written in string pool also. Okay, now name is equals to Rajesh Yadav. Now the new object will be created. In this you will have Rajesh Yadav. Rajesh Yadav. And this name will point to this now. Not this one. Okay. And over here also you will have Rajesh Yadav. Okay. So if you will modify this again and again, it will create as many objects. So if you will do like this now, name is equals to Rajesh. J Rajesh. Okay, now what will happen? Unique. So Rajesh is already present, so we will not create unique over here, but the new object will be created. In this you will have Rajesh. Okay, and it will be like this. Okay, that's why people don't use string that much. And why people use this string, we will cover it. Okay, so in upcoming classes, first of all, I will finish our string. It's a not that long topic. Okay, then we will continue with the main topic, connection. Very important, the very much important. Okay, so guys, I will upload the recording. Any doubt they can ask me. Come on. Actually, I have another.
So number of time we are declaring